Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Settings. This gets you to System Input Controls quickly. Once done, tap General Management because Language and Keyboard controls live there. Make sure to select Samsung Keyboard under Language and Input. This is where Autocorrect lives. You're taking the first actionable step. Access the keyboard settings instead of third-party apps. Doing this avoids toggling the wrong input method. If you use another keyboard app later, repeat these steps inside that app settings instead. Once inside Samsung keyboard settings, tap Smart Typing to reveal prediction features. This is where Samsung applies autocorrect. You will see predictive text. Turn it off to stop suggestions and soft corrections. Make sure to also find Auto Replace and disable it if you want to prevent automatic substitutions. Predictive suggestions differ from Auto Replace. This step removes intrusive corrections while keeping typing corrections under your control. If you prefer some assistance, you finish by testing in any messaging app. Type deliberately odd words to confirm autocorrect is off. If corrections persist, make sure another keyboard app isn't active, go back to Language and Input and disable other input methods. Once done, restart the phone to force settings to apply system-wide. This clears cached behavior. One troubleshooting tip. If autocorrect returns, check for keyboard app updates or reset keyboard settings to defaults. Then redo the toggles to ensure changes stick.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.